the day has come to take this bad mamma jamma, the Hill Billy Express, that's what Mike named it, on its first test drive with him. So me and Dad kind of cruised it like 20 miles, but that was about it. So checking all the fluids and everything looks good under here. Brake fluid, oil, power steering, coolant. That's all we got. Checked the torque on all the wheels, checked the air pressure, threw a whole bunch of tools together. We're gonna stop at the gas station, fill this up, because we still don't know what we've got for fuel mileage for this thing. And then remember we did all that custom stuff with the pickup and all that. I don't know how that's gonna work out. I might change that and actually have it pull from the bottom of the tank where the drain is at. I know, brilliant idea. You can get all the fuel out of it. I don't know why I didn't think about that earlier. But anyways, let's get this thing all prepped and ready to go, and then let's go. Brandy's our chase vehicle, and she's bringing Greenie out. Look at that smirk on her face.
What?
Do you love this truck or what?
Yeah, I do.
How much?
A lot, but I'm sad about the paint.
If you just like pan over it really quickly, you can't see any imperfections at all. So I'm not even going to show you. It's perfect. Here, I'll show you a spot where the paint is perfect. Look right here. Look at that. No imperfections at all. It's just really dirty.
Most of the bed is fine.
Yeah, see? And it's fine. Look at, see? You just do that really quick. No imperfections. What are we doing, babe?
We're going somewhere.
What's going on with your honorary hat that you got going on there? Nobody cares, work harder. Our plan is we're gonna go take Hill Billy Express out for its first test drive. So our first destination is the gas station, which is like 6 miles away. And then from there, I think we pick a destination for food because I'm hungry. And then from there, we don't even know yet. But I'm gonna drive. Brandy's gonna follow us, or lead, or whatever. She's kind of ornery today. Every day. Alright, we're fueled up. The truck was on full, and I put 4.8 gallons in it. So it's still on fuel, on full. So we're gonna have to keep an eye on that. But we'll drive it around, put some more fuel in it, and see what we've got for fuel mileage. Alright, we're on the highway. We're doing 60 according to the speedo, or we were, now we're stopping. But our GPS is telling us that we're doing about 63 to 65, Mike?
Yes.
So our speedo's just a touch off. We're gonna, once we take off from this light, we'll get it up to 70. And then we'll make sure, we'll see how far off it is there, but we'll have a good idea of what the actual speed is.
68, 69, 70.
Alright, so 70 is about 68, 67 on this. So we'll just shoot for 65 and then we should be good on the speedo. So we're in 5th right now, holding about 65. It is kind of feels like it's running a little bit rough, but I would imagine we just need to keep running fuel through them. We can put some miles on this bad boy. Coolant temp is good. We're at like 175, 14 volts. Fuel gauge, we don't know if we trust that yet. Oil pressure's at 50 pounds. And Brandy's right behind us. You guys probably can't see her, but she's right back there. We made it 16 miles. We stopped at Jimmy John's because we're hungry. And everything was good so far. Brandy did say that her trans got to like 210.
How's she doing?
So we're just gonna ignore that. Alright, we ate lunch at Jimmy John's. And they're inside going pee. I'm gonna check Brandy's transmission fluid level because maybe it's low and that's why it's getting hot. I don't know. But I need her keys, and she's got her keys. So, once she gets back out here, we'll check the trans fluid level. And then we're going cruising again. Alright, Mike's driving now. I don't know what's going on with car alarms back there, but they all keep going off. It's kind of a sketchy area, I think.
Yeah.
Some sketchy stuff going on around us. transmission is not low, but it is getting hot. So we might have to look into that at some point. But right now we're gonna go drive. Randy's a dork. You're gonna let her do that to you, huh? Now that thing keeps popping out of there. We might have to come up with something different. Or I can bend that way
Yeah,
down,
we need to
maybe.
squeeze it shut a little bit, I think.
Mike wanted to stop at the car wash, so we're at the car wash. Hi, Pumpkin. What are you doing?
Taking some water.
Oh, okay.
No, because racing is hard work.
Yeah, Randy and her dad are racing on the highway. What do you have to say about yourself?
Nothing. We were going the speed limit a little bit.
Yeah, we were going the speed limit. We had a casualty.
We did say that we were
Dang it. I'll send Ryan a text. Son of a biscuit.
I'm gonna move on.
Mike's foamy brushing it. Oh yeah. This is really what they need at the car wash, is somebody to follow you around holding the hose.
Yeah, exactly.
Babe, what's the time look like?
3:20.
We just need to know how fast of a pit crew we got to be running here.
Yeah.
There you go, Michael.
Thank you.
All right, we are back at the gas station we started at. It's reading 78 miles. So I think we did exactly 40 miles. I don't know how we managed that.
Great.
No, I'm good. So we're gonna fill it back up and see what our fuel mileage is. Look at that. It says, can you read it? 18.22 gallons. Or no, 18.22 mile per gallon. So ain't bad for its first shakedown. It is running a little rough. Put 2.36 gallons in it. I think we got to run some old fuel out of it. All right, we're back in the shop. We did our first trip, and it did pretty good. It just needs some miles on it so we could work everything out. What do you guys think about our first drive?
Be alright if your father-in-law wouldn't have fucked up the driver's side window.
That's fine. That's the first of many things that are going to be a problem. Like this stupid thing. Come on. Stay in there for crying in the mud.
And Greenie getting hot.
Yeah. Greenie's real hot. Anyways, that's it.